The rhythm practice section is next. This section has a huge selection of resources for teaching and reinforcing rhythm concepts. Clicking on the Rhythm Practice section on the left side menu will show you the levels available. The levels are sorted by relative difficulty, with each level introducing a new note or time signature. Clicking on a level will bring you to the page with the content. At the top, you will see the extra details for the level, and below that, the Related Songs drop-down shows songs from the song list that feature the rhythms from the level. Below the related songs are the extra resources for the level. This will include printable flashcards, assessments, and worksheets. The resources available on each level will vary. Scrolling down, you will see the activities for the level. Each activity may have different content associated with it. Most will have videos, but they can also include interactives and printable resources related to the activity. Some highlights of the rhythm practice section include echo rhythm, poison rhythm, and animated play-along videos.